Alright, you guys, so I bring you some truly awesome news in the terms of upcoming live events. Now, this was uh, 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 announced late last night, courtesy of KK Downing, KK Downing and David Elton of Megadeth, and of course, KK. Uh, Original Judas Priest guitarist, um, announced to the world that on November 3rd, um, KK and David will 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 be hosting sort of a special live performance event featuring uh, KK on guitar, Dave on bass, um, our original Judas Priest drummer Les Binks, and on vocals, a reunion of sorts. So somebody that KK and Dave know very well, but more specifically, KK toured with this individual for 10 years. That because fronting this super group will be Reaper Owens, and guys, according to what they told Eddie Trunk last night, guys, supposedly this whole idea was basically sparked between David and Kay and KK, basically over one very productive phone conversation. Now, unfortunately, this special performance it is a UK exclusive event because it is actually taking place in KK's sort of own venue, the steel mill, the steel mill, and basically, guys, it's basically going to be a jam-packed Judas Priest set list. Now, guys, obviously this is historic in so many ways, but first and foremost, it's monumental because, excuse me, this will mark KK's first full-on concert performance since deciding to leave Judas Priest in 2011. But guys, this will hopefully inspire an event like this to hopefully maybe somewhere down the pipe to be able to come over to the States, to be able to come over here to the States, because I'll be honest, never mind less drumming. The real selling point but behind this event should be KK Tim and David, and to fill out the band, David and Ken, which is KK's actual name, guys. They've said that they've gotten this guy named AJ to fill out the band on second guitar. But truly, guys, just the fact that Dave, KK, and Reaper are going to be on stage together would be enough of a reason for me to but possibly try and see this if it ever did come to the U.S. Because this is something truly special. Now, obviously, guys, the question was raised: could this lead to this sort of like all-star group? Well, three all-stars and two nobodies, really, because I get that Les played on all of the early Judas Priest recordings and releases, but to me, Scott is the drummer I think of when I think of the almighty metal gods, and just the fact that after over almost 20 years that KK and Reaper are finally going to have a chance to play together again. That in itself should be it is an occasion, because guys, let's remember, since Reaper is going to be the vocalist of the group, that means that Jugulator and Demolition Material have a very, very high chance, I would almost guarantee it, actually, of being in the set list. But again, guys, KK Downing has announced first public concert in 10 years.